Everything in, everything in. Yeah, everything in. DJ Koolguy, my love, yeah. Yo, shorty, see up on the dance floor, moving slow. A question in your eye that I want to know. You look my way, then you look away. It confuse me so. Is it the rhythm or a vibe that make you lose control? Me not rush you, now me just want to know if this connection real or if it's just a show. So me have to ask,
me have to know, is this the right time? Is this the right vibe?
Before we make a move and step inside.
If the timing right, put your hands up high. Hey. If the vibe sweep, wave it side to side. No need for run, no need for hide. Just tell me if you're feeling it deep inside. Yeah, the timing right and the vibe is sweet. Come take a chance and complete the beat. In your observation sharp, you know miss a thing. It's not a show, it's a feeling that your presence bring. The way you hold your space, confident and clean. It's stir a curiosity, a little daydream. But before we link up under this laser light, answer my question, make sure your heart is right. Me have to ask, me have to know, is this the right time? Is this the right vibe?
Before we make a move and step inside.
If the timing right, put your hands up high. Hey. If the vibe sweep, wave it side to side. No need for run, no need for hide. Just tell me if you feel it deep inside. Yeah, the timing right and the vibe is sweet. Come take a chance and complete the beat.
No games we're playing, this is real talk. From my heart to yours, a straight walk.
A future glimpse in your eyes I see. A partnership, just you and me.
So let's stop the question, make the action start.
And synchronize we two. Line for line for us, yeah, the chemistry correct. No need for discuss. From the dance floor to the world, and knows I trust. It's the right time, it's the right time. If the timing right, put your hands up high. Hey. If the vibe sweep, wave it side to side. No need for run, no need for hide. Just tell me if you feel it deep inside. Yeah, the timing right and the vibe is sweet.
You can love it.